TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 28. NASDAQ is off 15. S&Ps are down 4.5. Gold contracts trading up $4.50 at $1,211 an ounce. Silver is up 18 cents at $17.25. You have the oil market up 78 at $58.78 a barrel. Bonds, the 10 years flat, 127.01. 30 years down 1 point at 152.02. And King Dollar's up 242 ticks at 95.60. The euro is down 48 at 111, and the yen is trading up 32 at 121.01. Okay, so if we start over in the S&Ps, folks, this is what you have happening. You have the S&Ps at highs. Haven't been able to get traction at those highs. We've been up there 3 separate days. If you take a look at the SPY, right now we're at 212.58. I suspect what you're going to see out here is that anything under 4.8, 212.48, you get a failure. You got over those highs on anemic volume. We're talking about 74 million and 72 million. Dow Industrials also got over the highs. The highs of the Dow, made new highs up there the last 2 days. The Dow right now is at 18,286. The Dow is back under the breakout area. Bottom line is that when you only can stay 2 days above a breakout area in itself, it shows how weak you are. The 3 Qs, the NDX 100, never made it up to the highs. We'll see how that shakes and bakes right now. That's pulling back with some juice behind the move. And as we go into the gold contract, so check this out. The gold contract, folks, got hammered yesterday. Never could get down, however, to its lowest swing point. That contract yesterday went from a price point of $12.25 to $12.05, had volume of 179,000. The 179, however, was going into 242, and it didn't make the swing point. What did we do out here this morning? You rejected lower price. You went to 1202. You're at 1210 right now. This gold contract wants to run up to this 1250 mark. And what is that actually? Well, here, let's do silver next. We take a look at the silver contract. What we had with silver is same type of setup as gold. Heavy downdraft yesterday. Today, what you got, you're getting slightly higher. The downdraft yesterday also had lighter volume and did not get into the swing point. We went yesterday in the silver contract from $17.73 to $16.87. You did 59,000 contracts. You were running against 77,000. Silver wants to run up to this 1855 level. Bonds. The bond market, folks, is building cause for lower price. We get the Fed meeting, Fed minutes out today at 2 o'clock. You're going to see some heavy volatility in this market. Bonds are building a monster ABC down. The first leg in the 10-year went from 129.31 down to the price point of 126.06. You get big volume down there. I suspect what you're going to have is that it's not only going to go after the 125 area, more than likely we're going to be down somewhere into about the 122 area on the 10-year. And what is this going to be all about? It's King Dollar. Now, check this out. King Dollar had its first counter-trend bounce. King Dollar has gone from a price point of 100.78 3 days ago. It got down to 93.17. The bounce, I suspect, it looks to me like the bounce is over. It's anemic volume right here. You're going right into ICE, which was the vicious downdraft of the 29th. And I expect what you're going to see, there's a very large ABC structure on the way down. We're at 95.63. King Dollar wants to get into this 88 area. The pressure on King Dollar, it looks to me like the turn is actually out here today. So what I expect you're going to see out here, you're going to see flat markets for another couple hours. You're going to go into that the minutes of the Fed meeting, the minutes of the Fed, and that's where you're going to see some heavy volatility in this market. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
If you're like me, you see the world's emerging nations as a very real opportunity, as these countries and their economies are developing right before our eyes. And you can rest assured that Everbank has spotted this opportunity too. In fact, they have just released the second running of their 5-year Market Safe Futures Economy CD. This is a CD that could really deliver, but you only have until June 11th to take advantage. Consider the facts. If the future economy's currencies beat the US dollar over the CD term, you'll get all of the upside at maturity. And should they lose, no worries. There's zero downside risk here, as you get back 100% of your deposited principal. Don't miss out. The June 11th funding deadline is quickly approaching. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN-CD for more information, including important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN-CD. Everbank is an equal housing lender and member FDIC.